First, go ahead and pick the custom shape tool from your toolbar. Now select this awesome shape. I've dropped the download link in the description so you can follow along with the exact same one I'm using. Hold the Shift key while drawing the shape on your canvas to keep it perfectly proportional. It's going to be the foundation of our logo, so make it nice and clean. Now right-click on the shape layer and hit Rasterize. This will allow us to edit it like a regular image. Next, let's spice things up with a bit of design. Create a new layer and grab the rectangle tool. Draw a smooth, modern rectangle somewhere over the shape. Don't worry too much about placement yet. We'll tweak it soon. Change the rectangle's color to something bold or subtle, whatever fits your style. Then reduce the opacity slightly to give it that sleek, semi-transparent look. Press Ctrl+T to freely transform and adjust the size and position of your rectangle. Now here's a cool trick. Hold Ctrl and click on the rectangle thumbnail in the Layers panel. This will select the exact shape of your rectangle. Head back to the custom shape layer and press Delete. Boom! You've just cut out a clean area from your shape. Now for the fun part, it's time to add your text. Select the text tool and type in your brand or business name. I'm using a premium font that you can also download from the description below. Fonts make a huge difference, so pick something that really represents your brand identity. We're almost done with the logo. Hide the background layer so we're only seeing the shape and text. Now press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+E. This will merge everything into a new single layer while keeping your original layers safe. Once done, press Ctrl+C to copy the final logo design. Let's bring your logo to life. Open the mockup file. Again, the download link is waiting for you in the description. Double-click on the Smart Object layer. This will open in a new tab. Now paste your logo using Ctrl+V. Hide the previous logo layer and use Ctrl+T to resize and position your design exactly where you want it. Once you're happy with it, save and close the tab. And there you go. Your professional logo is now placed perfectly on a realistic mock-up. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more Photoshop tricks, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Photoshop PixelFie, and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on my next creative adventure. Drop a comment if you got stuck anywhere or want me to cover something specific in the next video. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep designing, stay inspired, and let your creativity shine.